In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in your Gmail account. Archiving your emails is a useful way to keep your inbox tidy without permanently deleting messages that you might need to reference later. So, let's dive right into it. First, to begin the process, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, take a look at the emails. If you have specific messages you want to clean up from your main view, this is where archiving can be really handy. Now, identify the email or emails you'd like to archive. If it's just one, simply hover over it, and you'll see a list of icons pop up to the right. Among these icons, there's one that looks like a little box with a down arrow on it. That's the Archive button. Clicking this will instantly archive your email, removing it from your inbox list. But don't worry, the message is not lost. It's securely stored in your All Mail directory, which we'll discuss in a bit. For times when you want to archive multiple emails at once, you can do that too, simplifying the process significantly if you're decluttering on a larger scale. To do this, start by selecting the emails using the checkbox located to the left of each email. Once you've selected the emails you wish to archive, look up at the top of the inbox. You should see that same archive icon there, the little box with the arrow. Click it, and just like that, all the selected emails are archived collectively. Now you might wonder, where exactly do my archived emails go? They're moved to the All Mail folder. You can find this in the sidebar of your Gmail interface. This folder contains every single email in your account, whether it's been archived, deleted, or is still languishing unread in your inbox. You can view archived emails here and search for specific messages using the search bar at the top of the page, just like you would in your inbox. If at any point you feel like bringing an archived email back to the inbox for easy accessibility, it's these simple steps. Go to your All Mail folder, find your email, click on it to open, and use the Move to Inbox option located at the top of your email window. This action moves the email back into your inbox so you can keep it on your front page. There you have it. Archiving your emails in Gmail is a straightforward and effective way to manage your email flow, allowing you to retain important information while keeping your inbox neat and organized. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to subscribe for more helpful content.